Hi, this is Lou at Foothills Properties. And for the last couple of weeks, I've wanted to discuss with you owner visits to their rental property. But in the last couple of days, we've had two incidents where landlords have called us and said, I'm going to the property today, and we have to say, whoa. And we say that because Arizona statutes clearly determine when the landlord can go and what they have to do. In Arizona revised statute, and I'm holding the paper in my hand so I can read it to you, 33-13-13 notice, it says that a notice must be hand delivered to the tenant or mailed by registered or certified mail to him at the place held out by him as to the place for receipt of communications. So the tenant has to have notice, and you notice the statute doesn't say telephone call or email. It says certified mailing. Certified mailing implies 2 days for the mailing, 5 days for return of service. In addition, it says access under Arizona 33-13-43. And that specifically says in section D, the landlord shall not abuse the right to access or use it to harass the tenant, except in a case of emergency, or if it is impracticable to do so. The landlord shall give the tenant at least 2 days' notice of the landlord's intent to enter, and only enter at reasonable times. And lastly, in Arizona revised statutes 1376, section B, if the landlord makes an unlawful entry or an unlawful entry at an unreasonable manner, or makes repeated demands for entry otherwise lawful but which have the effect of unreasonably harassing the tenant may obtain injunctive relief to prevent the reoccurrence of the contact or terminate the rental agreement. In either case, the tenant may recover actual damages not less than the amount equal to 1 month's rent. And I wanted to read those to you just so that you understand it's not Lou Kahn, it's not your property manager, it's not Foothills that's saying you can't go. It's the Arizona House of Representatives, Senate, and the governor who have passed these and signed them into law. Now, I should say, and I will say, that there are times that are non-emergency where if we have 2 to 3 days, we can call the tenant, and if they say okay, we can follow it up by email and get their email permission, and that is acceptable. But we can't just run over to the house, look over the fence, walk around the house, or go into the premises. I know the statute says enter the premises, but a court in Pima County, a justice court in Pima County, would hold walking on the property. So please, if you want to go to your property, if you want to see your property, give us a week or two notice and we'll arrange it. If the tenant isn't reasonable, then we have steps that we can take to allow you to enter the property. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please call me. I'm happy to discuss the issue with you. Thank you and have a great Tucson day.